I'm Scott Gorman. I'm a Bergen County DWI defense attorney, and I practice throughout the state of New Jersey. In New Jersey, in the vast majority of situations, if a police officer asks you to provide samples of your breath because you're suspected of having driven drunk, you should absolutely provide those breath samples. What most people don't realize is, when you operate a motor vehicle just about any place other than your own private property, you're giving your consent to provide breath samples to a police officer who has probable cause to believe that you've driven drunk. If you refuse to provide those breath samples, you can be charged with both refusal and DWI. The purpose of the refusal statute is to make it easier for the state to prosecute DWIs. I like to think of it as the legislature saying that if you refuse to provide samples of your breath, we're just going to assume that you were really, really drunk. And for this reason, the penalties associated with the refusal are almost identical to those for DWI with an elevated blood alcohol concentration. But wait, it's worse than that. The fact that you refused to provide breath samples can be used as evidence that you knew that you were drunk, and that evidence can be used to prove that you actually did drive drunk. If you're convicted of both refusal and DWI, you'll be subjected to additional penalties that may include a lengthier license suspension. If you're accused of DWI, call me so we can sit down and discuss your situation.